Hey guys, today I'm going to be debadging the CRV. So in order to do this, we're going to need some fishing line, a hairdryer or a heat gun, some rubbing alcohol, some WD-40, and some polish. So first I'm going to heat it up, and I'm going to use the fishing line to remove the badge. So once you heat it up and you think it's hot enough, just use the fishing line and go under the badge. And just go back and forth to separate the glue from the badge. If you want, you can go over it one more time just to make sure the glue and the badge is separated. So I'm just going to use a shop towel and some WD-40 to spray it on the adhesive and get it to loosen up a little bit, and so it's easier to remove. Now I'm just going to use any kind of guard, and I'm going to start scraping the adhesive off. So when you're scraping it, just be careful, just take into consideration the paint because you don't want to scratch it up. So now that the emblem is removed, I'm just going to use some rubbing alcohol just to clean up the area. So now that we debadged and cleaned it, we're going to polish it because there's like a little outline of the old badge spot. So Anish was nice enough to lend me his polishing thing, disc thing, and this McGuire's polish. So I'm gonna do that right now.
Yeah.
Dude, should I just dab it?
And then just like push it in the pad with your finger. Like a bit faster. Okay, that's slow. Oh, you can see it. Just focus on like the other direction. You don't have to like do the whole thing. Like do this one first, and if you want to do the whole thing, then you can do the whole thing.
done now?
You can wipe it, and if it's not, if you're still scared, then you can put more on. I know I would probably.
I would, but I'm so lazy.
Yeah.
So that's it, guys. You can see the debadged area is really clean on this side, and it's really clean on this side too. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video of me debadging the CRV. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.